Hey guys, what's up? I'm Slim and you're watching Slimothy TV. In this video, I have a really cool one for you guys. Benks was kind enough to send out 2 cases plus screen protector for the iPhone. I believe this is for the 14 Pro, but we're going to take a look and see. But I have to give them a big shout out and thank you. They always have really cool looking packaging. So let's get into it. We'll start with this carbon fiber one here. Set these off to the side. Here is the back in case you want to pause it, take a look. But I want to get into opening it. So here we go. Check this out, guys. It opens up like a book, very premium unboxing experience. I want to get to reviewing. So I'm going to peel this up here and we're going to slide this case right out. There we go. All right. Fantastic unboxing experience, I must say. Well done, Benks. So here it is. Nothing else in this box. Set that off to the side. And here we go. We'll pull this little fake iPhone out of there. And there it is. Take a look at that Kevlar material. You can feel it, that weave all the way through. That looks super slick. Very, very nice. On the inside here, they've got the kind of a felt suede-ish material built with Kevlar right there, as you can see. MagSafe ring. This feels very high quality. And then if you take a look, it looks like they've got a material here on the side. Can't tell, it's not double shot TPU. I would have been really excited if it was, but it looks like they've got another design in there, hopefully to help with impact absorption. The sides on here are super soft and grippy though, and it feels like metal buttons. Wow, this is a premium case if I have ever felt one. Benks branding on the side here. Let's grab the iPhone 14 Pro. We got to try this one out. So iPhone 14 Pro, deep purple going in, super easy to put on. I really like that. There it is. Wow. Deep purple with Kevlar. Carbon fiber weave design. Looks super nice. See it kind of reflect the light. Here's what it looks like from the front if you were using it. Button feel is really good. With these metal buttons, honestly, it's better than stock. There is the cutout at the bottom and sides. Check the resivity, looks great, no issues there. On the back here, you can see this camera bump. They really have made that cutout so it will protect it. And this really does feel premium. The material that they used on the sides here is super soft. I don't really know how to describe it. It's just a soft rubber and just feels really good. It almost feels like the back here, but a little softer. Very nice case. This is an easy daily driver for just about anyone. It looks good, protects from scratches, should give you some really good drop protection, has MagSafe compatibility. I guess I can show you that real quick. Super easy to put this case on. Here is the Apple MagSafe charger. Boom. No issue there with charging up. And let's test the strength here. Very strong. I would say out of 10, this is probably a 7.5. Very strong. No issues at all with this one. Might be an 8. It's a very strong magnet. But anyways, let's move on to the next one. It looks just as cool. So check this one out, guys. Look at that. It is kind of a transparent case, but it looks like it's frosted. Taking a look at the box, you guys can pause it if you want, but I'm gonna go ahead and figure out how to open this. This one opens a little differently than the other. No book style here, but it slides right open. And here we go. This one feels a little bit different than the other. It's a frosted material, super soft sides. And I thought I was tripping there for a second, but this has a purple hue to it. Look at that. When it hits the light just right, it looks, oh my gosh, that is fantastic. That looks just like the deep purple color of the iPhone 14 Pro. Wow. Okay. Benks is really knocking it out of the park with these. So easy to put in too. Super premium feel, super soft material. And you can see the deep purple does shine through a little bit in the light, but they got this ring here around the sides here, and you can see lens protection. It's what it says on the sides. And the fact that this part is actually also deep purple, I mean, it matches perfect. That is a 1-to-1 match. Let's check the button feel on this one. Perfect. No issues there. Sides, looking really good. The bottom, camera cutout. Wow, check that out. So if you're looking for a very premium feeling and soft touch material case that is frosted, look no further than this one. This is the way to go. If you have the deep purple especially, that color match is perfect, as you guys can see right there. So that's my phone's color shining through, and this is Benks's on the side. Just looks so good. Of course, it's MagSafe compatible. Test that, but we already know that's gonna work without issue. Right there. Test the strength. I'd give this one about a 6.8, maybe a 7. It feels a little bit less than the other one, but still very strong, way stronger than you need. So there's no worries at all with that. You guys are gonna have to check these ones out. Benks is killing it with these cases. We do have one more thing to show you guys, and that is their screen protector. So let's do that next. So in case you guys haven't seen our other video, Benks has a very interesting way of installing their screen protector. So here's the box, premium feel and look to it. Let's go ahead and open it from the bottom here. And I hope this is the same as last year because it is so unique. It is such a weird way to install a screen protector, but it just works. So let's see if we can pull this out. There we go. Oh, it's a little bit different than last year. All right, let's see what we've got. Installation kit. Look at how premium this is. I mean, even Apple's stuff is not this premium. Here's the stuff that you need, the wipe, this anti-dust sticker. They got a huge one this time. That is awesome. I'm hoping that more screen protector manufacturers switch to these huge stickers because it just makes it so much easier. Nothing else in the box. Set that to the side. And this looks like the applicator this year. And there is the screen protector already preloaded. So it is locked and ready to go. So we're gonna have to read the instructions on how to do this. Looks like they're right here. If you guys ever lose yours and need to see it, here you go. The instructions. There's the video if you want to scan it with your phone. But we will go ahead, try this out and see how it does. All right, guys, so I watched their video on how to do this. I just wiped the screen off with their wet wipe here. It does smell very lemony. And then I just kind of dried it off with their included microfiber. Third step here is to use their huge anti-dust sticker. Again, I love this trend of huge stickers. It's just so much easier. And you can cover the entire screen basically. Get every little piece of dust off the phone. Now, for me personally, I don't keep screen protectors on my phone very long because I review so many of them. But let's go ahead and just try to get this as clean as possible. So I'm actually going to leave this laying on here for just a minute while I talk about this. So this is the Magic Align tool. I'm skeptical as to how this works. It's different than last year. Last year's was a huge contraption. I actually just threw away the old contraption today. Before I reviewed these. Was not sure what was gonna come in this, but I'm going to go ahead and give this a shot and we're gonna see what happens. You guys can follow along. Should be easy, but it's just different from anything else that I've done. So I think we've got most of the dust off. There's always gonna be a few bits and pieces here in the studio. It's just the way it is here. There's nothing we can do about that. So the next step here is to make sure that this is all set up how you want. I kind of got that wrong at first. So I'm going to set it up just like so. And you're going to place your phone just like this. And then you are going to pull. And as it goes through, there it goes. And then you are supposed to press right here. And it is going, as you guys can see. And it should stop about halfway, I think it said, but hey, this one might go all the way. And then you just peel it off. And it should be a perfect install. There we go. You're supposed to push out the edges here. And wow, that was so easy. It was it took a minute to set up, but once you got that set up, that is what it looks like. Look at that install. These bubbles should go away within 24 hours here at the top. If it focuses, there it is. But there it is. Look at that perfect install. Let me take this off camera and just take a quick look. Hey guys, this is an awesome screen protector. It is, I guess 3D is what they call it. It does not hurt your fingers at all to swipe up. Some screen protectors are like that. These dots at the top should go away within 24 hours. This is probably my favorite screen protector so far that we have reviewed. It just feels so nice. It's like OEM glass, and you can see obviously no fingerprints at all on the screen protector. You guys can see just how clear it is. I mean, there is no sign that there is a screen protector on here. That's really nice. This is a super nice screen protector, guys. If you are looking for an easy install, I mean, you almost can't mess this up. It just goes on. Just watch their little video, it helps, but this applicator is awesome and I definitely do recommend checking it out. Overall, home run with all of these products. You guys have to check them out. Links to them all down below. If you like the video, hit the big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.